You are still awaking. Such a messages are quite disturbing. When we are using Facebook, our friends or parents see our active status. How to get rid of it? Turn your active status off. Today I will tell you that how you can turn it off. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Click on this icon. Now click on this setting icon. Scroll down. Here you will find the option of active status. Click on it. Here you can see my status is active. So my friend and parents can see when I'm using Facebook. So now what I have to do, I have to just click on it and turn it off. Here comes the option of turn off, turn it off. And now my active status is off. So now no one can check my Facebook whether I am active or not. Thank you.